Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create TikTok account for business. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Of course, you'll need to have your TikTok app on your mobile device. Open it. In our case, we will be converting an already existing TikTok account into business. So on our TikTok profile, we're going to tap on the three dashes there at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, and then select account. And then you're going to choose switch to business account. Tap on it, and then you're going to tap on next, tap on next again, until you get to this page. You're going to choose the category which best describes your account. You can only select one, so we're going to click on next after selecting one, and then you're going to put in your email address. You can choose to skip this if you don't want to do this now, and then it says you're all set. Now you can access more tools to help grow your business and connect with your customers. You can go ahead and visit the business suite, and here under the business suite, you can see the different tools which you can use to help your business, such as Analytics, Growth Center, Creative Hub, Message Center, Sell on TikTok Shop, and others. With these steps, you'll be able to create your TikTok account for business. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.